Well, this is the roof what I've been working on, and I've done that corner bit here and this bit there as well, and they've just done this little dip here, put in, so that's done, which is nice. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of paint here, the same colour, then this roof will be finished. Hooray! I didn't hear you say hooray, did I? Again! Hooray! Can't hear you. Let's try again. Hooray! So it was like a dip like this. So I stuck the bit of wood and put it in. That bit is okay. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for listening or watching what I was saying. Bye.